am poem. Pattern. I am, two special characteristics you have. I wonder, something you are curious about. I see, an imaginary sight. I want, an actual desire. I am, the first line of the poem repeated. I pretend, something you pretend to do. I feel, a feeling about something imaginary. I touch, something imaginary that gives you a certain feeling. I worry, something that really bothers you. I cry, something that makes you very sad. I am, the first line of the poem repeated. I understand, something you know is true. I dream, something you really dream about. I try, something you make an effort about. I hope, something you actually hope for. I am, the first line of the poem repeated.
A stranger who leaves. I am a stranger who leaves myself. I wonder if there is a place I can fit. I hear the scream of my mind. I see an ocean in red. I want to cry. I am a stranger who leaves myself. I pretend to be a prayer. I feel the illusion of air. I touch the integral scrapbook. I cry for all my lovers. I worry that I'll fall into contradiction. I am a stranger who leaves myself. I understand that sensation isn't real. I say the destruction makes production. I dream about life in a primitive age. I try to be nothing. I hope to sleep in flowers. I am a stranger who leaves myself.
An imaginative girl. I am an imaginative and sensitive girl. I wonder if Prince Charming really exists. I hear my fairy godmother speaking to me. I see the twinkle in the stars. I want a pumpkin coach. I am an imaginative and sensitive girl. I pretend to be like Cinderella. I feel good about my dreams. I touch my imaginary glass shoes. I worry if Prince Charming will find me. I cried that he won't. I am an imaginative and sensitive girl. I understand that Cinderella is a fairy tale. I say that some dreams come true. I dream that I am Cinderella. I try to be like her. I hope one day to meet Prince Charming. I am an imaginative and sensitive girl. Look at this poem written by a 10-year-old student. It's really amazing, don't you think so?
I am odd, I am new. I wonder if you are too. I hear voices in the air. I see you daunting and that's not fair. I want to not feel blue. I am odd, I am new. I prefer that you are too. I feel like a boy in outer space. I touch the stars and feel out of place. I worry what others might think. I cry when people laugh, it makes me shrink. I am odd, I am new. I understand now that you are too. I say I feel like a castaway. I dream of that Asoki. I try to fit in. I hope that someday I do. I am odd, I am new.
Now it's your turn to fill up the poem. I am. I wonder. I hear. I see. I want. I am. I prefer. I feel. I touch. I worry. I cry. I am. I understand. I say. I dream. I try. I hope. I am.